how would you change the world if you had a chance to change the world?
National Weather Service in Columbia. Initiatives of your thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lee County, central South Carolina, Fairfield County, central South Carolina, southern Lancaster County, central South Carolina, Kershaw County, central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County, central South Carolina, southwestern Chesterfield County, central South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m.
Go back and wonder about what I said.
23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I think these people are calling me.
Thunderstorms capable of producing
And they say, well, why didn't you volunteer? If you volunteer,